Hello and happy Saturday everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over the top 5 new YouTube video ideas for cash cow channels without showing your face. So my YouTube channel is dedicated entirely to scaling, growing faceless channels. So I'm going to reveal 5 new channels that I've come across, so hopefully this can give you an idea for your next future channel. So before we get started though, be sure to sign up for my free webinar training down below where I have a $5,000 course guarantee. You don't want to miss it. It's absolutely free. I go over my top 10 ways to go viral on YouTube. So do sign up for it after watching this video. So now the first YouTube video idea I want to go over is stories. So if you've browsed around my channel, you'll know that I absolutely love stories. I think stories are one of the best videos you can make. I mean, people who are on YouTube, I'm sure you've come across a term called storytelling. And the reason why stories work so well is because they get really good watch time. And if they get really good watch time, they're racking up a lot of hours. And so YouTube, again, if you watch most of my other analytical videos, YouTube really weights watch hours. So as you can see, this channel just posts a bunch of stories. I've done my research on this channel. Sometimes the stories are real. Sometimes I couldn't find the stories online, so I might be wrong, but sometimes they may be made up. In my story channel in particular, we actually do make up our stories. So we tell our audience, there's always a disclaimer like, hey, down below in the description, it says, hey, these stories are fictitious, so they're not real, but people still enjoy them. So you can see that there's a bunch of stories, and you can see that this channel here called Real Facts, they're expanding into another channel called Incredible Stories. And they cover all types of stories. Stories about animals, hardships, romance, despair, stories about finding people, stories about interesting people. So they cover all sorts of stories. Now, again, as I've said before, the cool thing about stories is that they get really good watch time, but the downside is that it's very hard to find them in search. So if you could imagine, no one on YouTube is typing, he offered 20 chickens as collateral for a bank loan. No one is typing that on YouTube. I know that for a fact. And no one is typing what the ex-groom did at the wedding of his beloved ... No one is typing that. So the way that my story channel gets most of its traffic, it gets most of its traffic from browse, which is the homepage of YouTube, and also being suggested from other story videos. So stories, I would say it's hard to rank for. It's hard to get into the algorithm for, but once you get into suggested, once you get into browse, it really blows up compared to just ranking in search. So that's the cool thing about stories. And what I've realized from creating story videos is that my overhead cost for creating videos on stories is actually the least. It costs me anywhere from 20 to 40 bucks just to create a story video. And most of my videos aren't like that. Sometimes my videos can be as expensive as $100. But stories in particular, because my writers absolutely just loves writing stories, they charge me very affordably. And that's what kind of makes these videos somewhat cheaper. Now, the next niche I want to go to is something that you may not be too knowledgeable about, but it ties into what's trending right now, which is crypto. And that involves price prediction and technical analyses video. So let me write a timestamp for this. Hang on, 3:39. Okay. So price analyses and technical analysis. I have a close friend of mine who's doing the same exact type of channel, and it gets picked up really, really easily. So the good thing about this channel is that my friend doesn't edit the videos. He doesn't. All he does is film himself talking about price predictions of a certain coin, technical analysis of a certain coin. The good thing about these videos is that you can target specific coins and keywords. So as you can see in these videos, they're targeting Cardano, Avalanche, Cardano, Blocktopia, Engine. So they're very niche videos that target specific coins, and they just cover technical analyses and price predictions. And as you can see, this channel only has 20k subs, but they're getting around 600,000 views. I wouldn't be surprised if they're making close to 10,000 plus per month. That's $10,000 plus per month. So this is an absolute awesome YouTube channel idea, especially if you know how to do price predictions, especially if you know how to do technical analysis. And on top of that, in addition to the AdSense that you're going to be getting, I mean, this guy posts a crazy amount. This guy is posting about 30 times per day, right? So last 30 days, he's posting about 30 times per day. He's just running a bunch of technical analysis videos. I mean, it doesn't get I mean, if this only works if you actually know crypto, but if you don't, you want to move on to the other. Don't worry, I have other YouTube channel ideas that don't relate to crypto. Like me in particular, I don't know how to do technical analysis. I don't know how to do price prediction, but so this wouldn't be a good idea for me. But for people like my friend, in which they know crypto, they know how to do technical analysis, they know how to do price predictions, and crypto is really, really trending right now. This is the absolute perfect YouTube idea for you. So you can see that in addition to that, they do have some affiliate links. They sell their own digital products. They have the disclaimer. But yeah, technical analyses and price predictions related to crypto. If you can do that, I think that's an absolute gold mine, because crypto CPM, RPM, it's really high. It's really, really good. So, but for everyone who doesn't know crypto like me, for everyone who doesn't know technical analyses or price predictions like me, I still have more ideas for you. Okay, so the next idea I want to go over is, hang on, why right now? Timestamp is animation. So this is a channel called Betterment Boss, and they basically just create a bunch of animations related to how to make money. So they're very visual videos, they're very appealing videos, and you can see Betterment Boss is currently having a viral video right now. So I'm sure that this channel is making well over $8,000 per month. But the cool thing is that it's just very visual compared to, you know, something like stories. So with stories, they simply just use stock footage, images. You can see that the images are just boring, complacent, stagnant. But Betterment Boss, the visual aspect, if you really like watching these types of videos, then this is the channel for you. And you can tie this channel to how to make money online. But the cool thing is that I've been following Betterment Boss for a while now. They only post every other day. And if you recall my previous videos, if you're posting on YouTube, the assumption is that it is profitable for you, it is working for you, or you're kind of starting from the ground up. But I know for a fact, Betterment Boss, 367 videos, they're still posting, they're making money. Now, as for the types of content they create, they do cover how to make money online. So they have a bunch of videos on how to make money online, save money, side hustle ideas. But on top of that, everything is outsourceable, right? Everything is outsourced. The script writing, the video editing, the voiceover. So this is a hands down, a really outsourceable, scalable channel. The more script writers, voiceovers, and animators you can hire, the more videos that you can create. So now the next channel idea I want to go over, hang on while I write a timestamp, is something that is absolutely obliterating the game right now, and that is tutorials / screen recording. So I went over this channel in a previous my video, and it seemed that a lot of people liked the idea, so I do want to revisit the idea again. But it involves creating very lengthy tutorials covering evergreen businesses or digital businesses or websites. So as you can see, this channel is called Central Media. I've been following them since they were at 10K subs. They're averaging around 800K views per month. So I wouldn't be surprised if they're making over $15,000 per month. But on top of that, they don't rely heavily, but they also capitalize on affiliate links. So on all these videos, it usually leads them to a landing page, their own website called centralmedia.com. And in that website, there's just a bunch of affiliate links tied to all the websites all the tutorials that they're actually making. So they have affiliate links for Canva, affiliate links for Shopify, affiliate links for Sendinblue, affiliate links for Amazon FBA tools. So a lot of affiliate links. So not only are they dominating in the YouTube AdSense space, they are absolutely dominating in affiliate marketing as well. But to kind of make this channel more faceless, you don't have to do an intro like this. If you want to be completely faceless, you can just jump straight into the screen recording. So hopefully I can get it. Yeah, see? So they just do a lot of screen recordings and it doesn't show their face. So if you're someone who knows a lot about multiple programs, so I tried, brainstorming a list of programs that I'm familiar with, and I'm familiar with Photoshop, Final Cut, Notion, Trello, Asana, TubeBuddy, and YouTube. I would just make really long tutorials on those videos. Now, something I want to point out is the topic of why Central Media is working, and that's because they're making very long videos. So I'm hoping that you guys can learn from this concept that I'm about to teach you. But if we go to their most popular videos, we can see that the majority of Central Media's videos are videos that are 13, 20, 50, 40, 20, 30, 20, 20, 20, 42, 56 minutes long. The majority of their most viewed videos are really, really, really long videos. In terms of the majority of YouTubers, the majority of YouTubers are making anywhere from like 10-minute long videos to 15-minute long videos. I would say the average is like 6 to 15-minute long videos. Now let's pretend that you create a video called Zoom tutorial like this one, and you're trying to compete against Central Media's video. You make your video 6 minutes long, but Central Media's video is 13 minutes long. Even though if someone watches your entire video for 6 minutes, that equates to 6 minutes of watch time. But if someone watches 7 minutes of Central Media's video out of their 13 minutes, although that's not 100% watch time, that they're still building more watch time than your video, so therefore YouTube weights this video more. All right, so are you understanding what I'm saying? So despite how long your videos are, these really long videos, if someone only watches 20 minutes of this Shopify tutorial video here, if someone only watches 20 minutes, they get more watch hour than the people who are watching 100% of a 10-minute long video. But you also have to consider the fact also, do people really watch an entire 10-minute video? Maybe they only watch 4 minutes of that 10-minute video. Maybe only watch 8 minutes of that 10-minute long video. But for this 50-minute long video, if they watch 20 minutes, if they even watch just 11 minutes and your Shopify tutorial video is only 10 minutes, this video wins. All right, so that's the idea of watch time. YouTube really weights watch hours highly. So videos that gain the more watch hours, those are the videos that get weighted more on YouTube. So that's why you can see all their tutorials are absolutely crushing it, because they're really long. So a tutorial that's an hour and 20 minutes long, even if they only watch 30 minutes, which isn't even a 50% watch time, that's still 30 minutes of watch time added to this video compared to a 5-minute video, right? So that's the idea with why Central Media is absolutely crushing it. Absolutely love this channel. Props to them. Nate O'Brien, Mike O'Brien, really cool YouTubers. They know what they're doing. Now, the last video, YouTube video idea I want to go over, hang on, is tech reviews. So the idea with tech reviews, okay, you can go about this two ways. So I imagine this channel is definitely making over 10,000 or anywhere from like $5,000 to $10,000 per month. And as you can see, they're only posting once a month, but that's because they're getting a lot of views. Now with this channel, okay, Top Tech Now, they also are capitalizing on affiliate links, but unlike Central Media, these affiliate commissions come from Amazon, so their commissions are a lot smaller, but still, it's something, I imagine. Now, with this channel in particular, you can either just pull up stock footage or images from websites, or you can actually film your own content in what is called B-roll shots. So B-roll shots are basically just static moving images or static moving videos of the actual product that you're talking about, so that you don't have to keep on, you don't have to show your face. You see how this video just shows the product and it's kind of just like panning from left to right? This video here just shows the mouse. So that's what I mean by just filming B-roll shots. You can have a video comprising entirely of B-roll shots. So with this channel in particular, they just cover a lot of different top 10 gears. They're getting about 1 million views per month. I've been following this channel for a while now, since they were under 100,000 subs, but they definitely capitalize both on the AdSense aspect and the Amazon affiliate aspect. And you can see that some of their most viewed videos here are over years old. And something I want to talk about regarding all these channels is that videos that are usually, a lot of the times, your videos that are going to be getting the most traffic are videos that are going to be like years old. So this one is definitely evergreen. The idea of top 5 best running headphones, top 3 best monitors, they're always going to be evergreen. The items may not stay forever, but people are always going to be searching for this kind of stuff. So my last video topic idea, or video YouTube channel cash cow idea, is definitely tech reviews. I would love to make a channel like this. I just need someone to kind of write this type of style of content. But as you can see, the super evergreen route, they don't post very often, but the videos that they do post, it's evergreen. Despite it not going off now, maybe 1 year down the road, this top 5 best camcorders video is finally going to explode and appear in the algorithm. So if I were to do a channel like this, I would make videos longer than this, simply because remember what I talked about Central Media? Rather than creating only a 6-minute long video on the top 3 best mouse for Mac, this one's only 6 minutes long. So if you create a video that's 18 minutes long, if someone only watches 50% of that video still wins. All right. So aside from that, that's all I got in terms of these 5 new YouTube video ideas for cash cow channels. If you have any questions, comment down below. And in addition, if you're watching this video, also comment down below in regards to any types of videos that you want me to cover. I have noticed that on my channel, people tend to like me covering channel ideas, channel topics. Another idea I have is covering actual YouTube video specific topic ideas. So if that's something you're interested, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and don't forget to sign up for my free webinar training down below, and I will see you in the next video.